So this is going to be our first video working on the bus. We have a few things we need to do to this because in 2 weeks we leave for a big trip down to King of the Hammers. That being said, some of the things we're going to be removing is the guarding on the ACs and the heat setups so we can clean them. We need to remove the guarding on the windows. It'll just look a little bit better. These are all held on with rivets as well as the guarding. Pretty much everything in this bus is riveted. And then back here we need to get all the seats removed so we have room to set up like a bed and tables in here. As far as the seats go, they're pretty simple. Oh geez, you just have a cap here. We're gonna pop the rivets off on each side, self-tapper through the floor we gotta take out, and then against the wall, there is a bolt along the trim piece there that just clamps it. So these are gonna be simple, but we need to get everything removed in this. That way we can get it all cleaned and start putting our stuff in it. Okay, so how do we get this out now? I have no idea. All right, so we're pretty much done with the cleaning of this thing. Well, the removal of everything on the inside and cleaning it. Got everything on the roof removed, as well as the AC and heater panels, so we can get those cleaned up. Seats, everything like that is all out. And then we spent a bunch of time getting this thing clean. Cassie put a lot of labor in cleaning this thing, so massive shout out to her. I think it's looking awesome. It'll work great for our trip that we have coming up. Like I said, we have less than 2 weeks to get everything done for that, so we're trying to get what we can done for, I don't know, kind of a temporary setup. So we have some like carpet, temporary carpet that we're going to be putting down in here, tables, futon, changing out some lighting. So we'll probably do a video going over that stuff next. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Other than that, I think the bus is moving along good. Drop a comment down below what you think of this thing so far. We are definitely excited with everything on it, and we'll see you guys in the next one.